One of the biggest challenges cleaning business owners face is staffing and retention. Hiring reliable, skilled employees and keeping them motivated can feel like a never-ending battle. In this video, we'll explore why it's a very common issue and how to overcome it and build that loyal team that constantly performs at a high level. First, let's break down the challenges. It's no fun to train someone and you get your hopes high that this person's gonna work out. But at the end of the day, the key is to have the lowest turnover. A few other challenges is to find skilled and qualified people that are reliable and committed. And lastly, once you have a team in place, it's keeping them motivated to provide that satisfaction that you want for your company. The key to solving these issues is to hire the right employees from the start. So this means having a screening process that includes a background check and also a skill assessment so you can see where they're at and how you can train them best. And remember, it's often best to hire based off of attitude than for skill, because you can train someone that has a good attitude. But don't be fooled when someone comes in and they give you a positive attitude, they tell you everything you want to hear, and then they disappoint you at the end. So it's important to make your hiring based off of the value match. Do they match the values of your company? So once you hire the right people, a comprehensive onboarding process is crucial. In that onboarding, you're going to include the documents that they need to sign, the employee handbook, but also the start to end training process so you can get that optimal performance from them from the start. And the last thing you want them to do is bring their bad behaviors and bad habits from wherever they came and rub that off into your team and into your culture. So all of these things need to be a part of your onboarding process because it's going to save you so much time and headaches from having to train new people and go through the whole process again. The next thing that will help decrease employee turnover is creating a positive work environment. The last thing you want in your business is an undervalued culture. That will destroy your whole business. Encourage teamwork and collaboration, which can help build stronger relationships within your staff. You can do this by getting your top performers to share reviews during meetings. And I would suggest pulling them aside and asking them to help you build the culture. Most importantly, you want to recognize hard work. Cleaning is already hard as it is, so rewarding them through bonuses, incentives, and even just an acknowledgement, like a simple high five, goes a long way. Lastly, let's discuss some retention strategies. As a business owner, if we have the mentality like we already know everything, we would be pushing our employees away from providing more value and also giving us that feedback to help us improve our processes and our systems. They're the ones out in the field. They will tell you what's going on right and what's going on wrong. You can get feedback by giving them questionnaires to fill out, doing any one-on-ones during your employee evaluations, or just on the go. Ask them questions on how the processes could be improved. Do we need better equipment? Questions like that will help you make better decisions. Another would be to offer competitive pay and benefits to keep them motivated and having them from going somewhere else. What we do is we pay 15% above minimum wage. Now understand some benefits can be very costly for a small business, but something simple that you can do is have a 401k match. This will help you retain those top performers because they're looking forward to growing their retirement, plus they're feeling valued because you're giving back to them. Lastly, provide opportunities for growth and advancement. So ask them questions like, hey, what would you like to do within the company within the next year? How can we improve as a company and make this a better culture for you? Make sure you ask every single employee because every employee wants different things and you will get different answers, which that helps you to set up your next process, your next system on whatever it is. Now for some gold nuggets. Consider implementing a system where experienced employees can guide new hires. Start by having your best employees see you conducting interviews so that at some point they can do it for additional pay. That is a huge game changer because now it saves you time from doing that and they will choose which employees are best matched for the team. Next, focus on the work-life balance. Flexible schedules and understanding their personal needs will make a huge difference because when you know your team, you can serve them best. Hiring and retaining reliable, skilled employees doesn't have to be a constant struggle. By following these steps, you can build a strong, motivated team that will help your cleaning business thrive. So if I provided value in this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you know when I'm dropping that next video. My goal is to make your business grow, so let's do it together.